Hi, I'm Ashton Roenfeldt, and I'm the marketing coordinator here at Complete Weddings and Events. Welcome to our office. Here you'll find friendly coworkers, a fun culture, and an overall good time. Let's check it out. This is our meeting room where we have weekly meetings, conferences, and host and introduce the new owners. We have glass offices that support our coworkers and allow everyone to see each other. Usually, most of us have our doors open, so you can always expect a friendly face to stop in. Our kitchen is a space to gather, have meals, talk, and catch up with everyone to talk about the day. We have everything from snacks, coffee, tea, and drinks. It's a great way to get a little pick-me-up throughout the day. We also have an area where we can sit, talk and socialize, have meetings, and just take breaks. Most Friday afternoons, you'll find us in this space talking and unwinding after our work week is over. Our support office is located within the downtown Capital District in Omaha, Nebraska. We are steps away from cafes, restaurants, fun, and so much more. It's a lively area full of life and plenty of things to do. So that's the entire office tour. Thanks for stopping by. We hope to see you soon.